Welcome back to Auto Car Reviews. Today we're taking a deep dive into one of BMW's most stylish and exciting convertibles, the BMW Z4 Roadster. This car is all about open-top driving, sharp performance, and premium German design, and if you're a fan of sporty roadsters, this one definitely deserves your attention. From the outside, the BMW Z4 Roadster looks aggressive, low, and incredibly athletic. The long hood, short rear deck, and wide stance instantly tell you this car is built for performance. The large kidney grille gives it a bold BMW identity, while the slim LED headlights add a modern and focused look. Strong character lines run along the sides, enhancing the sense of motion even when the car is standing still. The soft top roof is lightweight and electrically operated, opening or closing in just a few seconds, which means you can enjoy open-air driving without sacrificing practicality. At the rear, sharp LED taillights, a sculpted bumper, and dual exhaust outlets complete the sporty and premium design. When it comes to performance, the BMW Z4 Roadster truly shines. Depending on the variant, you get powerful turbocharged engines that deliver quick acceleration and smooth power delivery. The car feels fast, responsive, and very engaging to drive. Steering is precise, giving you excellent control on winding roads, while the low center of gravity keeps the car planted even at higher speeds. The suspension strikes a good balance between sporty stiffness and everyday comfort, making it enjoyable both on highways and twisty back roads. With rear-wheel drive, the Z4 offers that classic sports car feel, and for driving enthusiasts, it delivers pure fun behind the wheel. Inside, the BMW Z4 Roadster continues the premium experience, even though it's a compact two-seater. The cabin is driver-focused, with a clean layout and high-quality materials all around. Soft touch surfaces, leather seats, and aluminum accents give it a luxury feel. The digital instrument cluster and central infotainment screen are clear, responsive, and easy to use, supporting modern connectivity features. The seats are comfortable and supportive, especially during spirited driving, and despite being a roadster, the Z4 offers decent boot space for weekend trips, making it more practical than many rivals. Now let's talk about pricing. The BMW Z4 Roadster sits in the premium sports car segment, so it's not cheap, but it offers strong value for what you get. Prices vary depending on engine options and features, with higher trims offering more power, advanced technology, and luxury upgrades. Compared to competitors, the Z4 provides a great mix of performance, style, and everyday usability, making it a solid choice for buyers looking for a luxury roadster. Overall, the BMW Z4 Roadster is a stylish, powerful, and exciting convertible that delivers on both performance and comfort. It's perfect for those who love driving, want premium quality, and enjoy the thrill of open-top motoring. This has been Auto Car Reviews, and if you enjoyed this detailed look at the BMW Z4 Roadster, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more car reviews.